Okay, I want to make a quick video on something. So I've got one of these DeWalt air compressors. I wrote a review on Amazon about it, and I think I might even have another video on my YouTube channel. But anyways, last night when I was working, I was running the sander with it, and it suddenly went out through the circuit breaker. Every time I turn it on, it would run for a split second, and then it would, run for about a second and a half, and then it would throw the circuit breaker again. So I didn't know exactly what was wrong at the time, but you can see I took off the cover over there and started looking around. So what I discovered was, if you look right here, and I always thought this was a brushless motor, but I guess not. It has brushes to power the motor. You can kind of see how everything's set up with the piston here. So what had happened, what was causing the circuit to go off, was a lot of dust had built up right down there where those brushes run. And I think what had happened was it had built so much up in that little pocket that it was causing a short of some kind or something in here. So and also there was quite a bit of dust in the windings. So I was able to use the air compressor itself to blow things out. As soon as I did that, the problem went away and I was able to run the compressor. But I'll fire it up real quick here, you can kind of see. So anyways, I just wanted to pass that along in case anyone else ever runs into the same problem here with their compressor mysteriously, throwing a circuit breaker. Get in here, and of course I had cleaned it already, but I was surprised how much carbon and residue there was. Get in there, try cleaning that out with the air compressor, and I'll bet you there's a good chance that solves your problem. So, and from now on, just in general, I'm going to start blowing that out, taking the cover off, and blowing that out as a preventative maintenance. But like I said, I wanted to pass that along in case it helps anyone in the future. Okay, thanks for watching.